Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. On this video guys, I'll be tackling the 10th question from the preliminary exam which was written in the year of 2023 at St. Mary's School in Waverley. Please do expect a total number of 12 videos since the question paper had 12 questions in total. That simply means each and every question will have its own video. And please guys, do take this seriously. I strongly believe that knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge whenever you write your preliminary exam and most importantly, your final examination. So please do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as you. And please guys, do help us grow the channel by just subscribing. Okay, we are told that Mr. John decides to take out a loan to buy a set of couches that he saw at the UFO store. He can pay back the loan by means of equal monthly payments of 780 rands 99 cents over a period of 4 years. The interest rate is charged at 15.6% per annum compounded monthly. And then we are told that the outstanding balance on the loan at the end of 2 years is 14,800 rands. Calculate the amount he took out on the loan to purchase the couches. Okay. Since guys, you are given outstanding loan balance, that means we must use that outstanding loan balance to calculate the value of the loan. Are you together? There is an equation you use to find the outstanding loan balance. It simply says outstanding loan balance it's basically A minus the future value of your payments. Are you together? A just represents the accumulated amount of the loan. That's 1 plus I to the power n minus the future value of payments. The future value of all your payments. Now, our outstanding loan balance is basically 14,800 rands. We are looking for the value of the loan, which is just P. And then I just have 1 plus 0.156. Remember, I'm given the percentage as 15.6, right? So that means my interest is just to 0.156 divided by 12. And then since I want to find out the value of since I was given the outstanding loan balance at the end of 2 years, that means n is just 2 multiplied by 12, which is 24. Are you together? Okay, let's just substitute guys over there and see what answer do we get. 24. The installment, we're told that it's 780 rands 99 cents, and then I have 1 plus 0.156 over 12 to the power 24 minus 1 all over I. Are you together guys? Guys, you'll do your mathematical gymnastics to find your answer. Ne? How can you find your answer? You'll end up having P being equal to 14,800 rands plus the future value, because whenever I take this to the other side, it will be positive, right? So that's 780 and then 99 cents, 1 plus 0.156 over 12 to the power 24 minus 1 all over I, all over 0.156 over 12, right? Don't know why didn't I substitute there. 0.156 over 12. This entire thing guys will be divided by 1 plus 0.156 over 12 to the power 24, and then this will just give us the value of the loan, the actual value of the loan. Now, okay, I'll have 14,800 plus my future value, which is just 780.99 multiplied by 1 plus 0.156 divided by 12, and then all raised to the power 24 minus 1 all over 0.156 divided by 12. Are you together? And then whatever answer I get, I must just divide it by this guy over there. I must just divide it by 1 plus 0.156 divided by 12 to the power 24. So the final answer, guys, is just 868 rands. I have 1448, so I'll simply say in 14 cents. So this is the amount of the loan, guys, né? Okay, and then now they want us to calculate the total interest paid on the loan at the end of the second year. There are certain steps that, guys, we need to calculate interest. Are you together? And those steps are, number one, you must find your outstanding loan balance. In this case, we are lucky because we are given it was just 14,800. Remember that we are told that this amount was outstanding, né? And then step number 2, find the paid amount of the loan. The paid amount of the loan is always the present value, or rather the value of the loan itself minus your outstanding loan balance. And then step number 3, you must just calculate the sum of all installments. Are you together? So the sum of installments is basically equal to n multiplied by x. And then step number 4, that's when we calculate interest then. Interest is basically step number 3 minus step number 2. Okay, let's do it. Number 1, we are already given the outstanding loan amount. Are you together? So now to find the paid amount of the loan, we just need to take the official value of the loan, which is 26,868 rands 14 cents, minus our outstanding loan balance. That's 14,800 rands, and then we'll simply get an answer of 12,068 rands 14 cents. 12,068 rands for 14 cents, né? And then the sum of all payments, 2 years has 24 months. That's why n will simply be 24 multiplied by 780 rands 99 cents. The sum of payments will simply be 24 minus 780.99. We'll simply get 18,743 rands 76 cents. Are you together? So therefore the interest paid is just step number 3, which is just 18,743 rands 76 cents minus 12,068 rands 14 cents, minus 12,068 rands 14 cents. So the final answer, guys, is just 6,675 rands 62 cents. That's how, guys, we find your interest, né? Always the time. If you're supposed to find the value of the interest you've paid, if ever you are given a position whereby it's not at the end of your loan repayment, these are the steps you have to follow. Are you together? Firstly, calculate the outstanding loan balance. Secondly, the paid amount of the loan. Thirdly, the sum of all your installments. Are you together? And then to find your interest, just simply say sum of all the installments minus the paid amount of the loan. That will simply give you total interest. Okay, and then now you're told that Mr. John has financial troubles after his payment at the end of the second year. He cannot make his monthly payment for the next 3 months. If he wishes to still pay off the loan at the end of 4 years, calculate the new monthly payment if he starts making the 4th payment into the 3rd year. Okay, to understand this, guys, let's draw a timeline. there's T0 until T24. Now, over here, T12, this is when Mr. John stops paying because of his financial difficulties. Are you together? So he will miss 3 payments, payment number 1, 2, and 3, but he will start paying back over here. So he missed payment number, let me write them in red, payment number 13, payment number 14, and number 15. But he will start paying back the amount of money by the 15th payment. So the amount of money will just move from here to there. Are you together, guys? So since Mr. John does not pay the amount of money for 3 years, this does not mean that he still owes the bank 14,800, because I know the outstanding loan amount over here was 14,800. This 14,800 will accumulate interest for the next 3 months. Are you together? For the next 3 months, this 14,000 will simply accumulate interest, and then the amount of money that we get over there will become our new present value for the remaining payments. Are you together? The accumulated amount will just become our new present value for the remaining payments. Okay, so basically, guys, our present value will simply be 14,800, and then 1 plus I is just 0.156. Remember, that's all over 12. This amount of money will accumulate interest for 3 months. Are we together? And then we are looking for the new installment, and believe me, guys, the new installment must be greater than the one that we were given of 780 rands 99 cents. It must be greater than that. Né? And then what is the rate of interest? It's still 0.156 over 12. And then N, how can I find N, guys? I can simply say 24 minus 15 plus 1. Are you together? Why am I saying plus 1, guys? Because if you just say 24 minus 15, that means you are excluding this payment. Are you together? Because Mr. John will start paying the new installment from the 15th payment over there. Né? So how many payments do we actually have? 24 minus 15 plus 1. We are only left with 10 payments, guys. So therefore, how can I find the new installment? I can simply say present value, that's 1 minus I plus I to the power n all over I. So the present value, guys, is just 14,800 rands, and then 1 plus 0.156 over 12 to the power 3. And then I'm looking for the installment. I have 1 minus 1 plus 0.156 over 12 to the power of negative 10 all over the interest, that's 0.156 all over 12, right? You can do mathematical gymnastics, guys. Then X will simply be 14,800 rands multiplied by 1 plus 0.156 all over 12 to the power 3 multiplied by that interest over there, that's 0.156 all over 12, all divided by the bracket, which is just 1 minus 1 plus 0.156 all over 12 to the power of negative 10. That's 10 over there. Né? So this will just give us the value for our new installment. And believe me, guys, the new installment must be greater than 780 rands 99 cents. Okay, so we'll simply find 14800 1 plus 0.156 divided by 12 to the power 3, then multiply that by 0.156 divided by 12 all over open bracket 1 minus another bracket 1 plus 0.156 divided by 12 to the power of negative 10. So this will just give me a new installment of 1,650 rands 61 cents. So the new installment, guys, if Mr. John failed to pay monthly installments for the next 3 months, will simply be equal to 1,650 rands 61 cents. That's how, guys, you're supposed to tackle this question over there. So please, guys, do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you.